We have in place a number of ways for you to become informed about a critical incident. We have a public address system. We have a way of you getting the information on your computer. We have a way of you getting the information on your phone. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, is how we sign you up for getting that critical information that you need to have during an emergency situation. What you need to do is go up to the directory update, double click on the directory update, and down here in this corner it says Alert Media, and that is the alert system. Double click on that, put in your cell phone number, go back to exit and save, and you're done.